Hello and welcome to the Create and Manage Virtual Machines course, part of the Azure 70532 exam prep by CloudAcademy. In this lecture, we'll briefly introduce you to all the topics that we'll delve into during the course on Azure Virtual Machines or VMs. This course assumes some familiarity with the fundamentals of .NET development. The course does not require advanced expertise, but some familiarity of Visual Studio 2013 or newer and C# is assumed. A basic knowledge of PowerShell is a plus, but not essential. And lastly, a working knowledge of DNS and IPv4 will be beneficial for topics including virtual networks. The goal of this course is to provide the practical knowledge and experience needed to master the Create and Manage Virtual Machines section of the Microsoft 70532 Developing Microsoft Azure Solutions certification. This course will cover the key topics with a focus on the competencies tested by the exam. Let's go through the agenda for the course. We'll start by covering what type of workloads you can deploy to virtual machines and two deployment models available. We'll then move on to the creation and management of virtual machines. Next, we'll look at configuration management before taking a look at VM networking. We'll then have a look at scaling virtual machines before learning how VMs handle storage. And then finally, we'll introduce the facilities provided by Azure for monitoring your VM. Azure Virtual Machines are what is known as an Infrastructure as a Service or IaaS. Virtual machines give you full control of running software in Azure by giving you an operating system of your choice and a wide variety of configurations from which you can install your own custom software. You can scale up and out easily without having to actually upgrade your server or provision additional servers. Azure will manage the patches of the operating system for you, and you can quickly deploy ready-made images that come with pre-installed software on them, such as SQL Server analysis services. Virtual machines are also perfect for lift and shift scenarios, situations where you have some software installed on a local premise machine and you wish to host it in the cloud with minimal re-architecture or redesign. Let's have a look at a typical IaaS configuration. An infrastructure as a service offering will provide you with a virtual machine pre-configured with an operating system and optionally some software installed on top. A key benefit of IaaS is that you have total control of the software that runs on your virtual machine. You can customize the software on it and manually install different versions as you need. You also don't have to worry about hosting the server in the data center or managing its uptime. Whilst you don't need to configure and maintain the operating system, ensuring it is up to date with security patches, etc., you still maintain control of the software that runs on the operating system. As such, virtual machines are a great way to quickly take advantage of some of the benefits of Azure. For example, let's say you had a WinForms application which reads data from an FTP server and uses a custom database, which isn't available as a managed service in Azure. You might want to host such an application in Azure without needing to rewrite it to take advantage of custom Azure services. In summary, when would we want to use a virtual machine? Firstly, virtual machines are extremely flexible. You can do anything with them because they're just an operating system with some optional software installed on top. You can use them for situations where there's no ready-made service offering available. For example, SQL Server analysis services, or RavenDB, or Kafka, or any service that can be run on a Windows or Linux virtual machine. Porting an existing bespoke application or application stack onto a virtual machine can prove an inexpensive way of hosting an application in the cloud without re-architecting it. You might use a set of virtual machines to act as a disaster recovery strategy in case local resources fail. And finally, you can use virtual machines to create a dev or test environment in a repeatable fashion. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll understand more about VM workloads.